What's up, you guys? Zeddy at Fliptroniks. So I'm going to be showing you how to make an extra $500 per month online in 2019 straight from your phone. All right, so I hope you guys have enjoyed some of these money-making videos with your phone, because honestly, it's crazy how much things have changed. You know, there's a lot of opportunity, and I'm going to go over some really good methods in this video. Now, the first one we'll be getting into here is going to be playing Texas Hold'em on Bovada. Now, I've personally been playing Texas Hold'em for like the last 15 years, so I definitely have a knack for this stuff. You know, but if you're not into poker, don't worry, I've got some other really good methods. You know, over the last month, I'm probably up over $4,000 playing poker via Bovada and Ignition. It's been pretty crazy. Now, Bovada is the #1 betting site in the US. I'll have links in the description if you want to sign up with any of these methods. I do recommend all of them. Obviously, poker, you are going to need to have some skill at this, but if you're playing high enough limits on here and you know you're focusing, you're playing good poker, you can definitely make quite a bit of money doing this. You're gonna have days when you're down, but I mean, over the long term, if you're playing good poker, you can do really well. Cash outs are very fast on here via Bitcoin, so you can pretty much get paid instantly. They still do check withdrawals, and you can see how good the mobile software is here. I mean, this is real money games you can play for on here. It's crazy, and like I said, you could be literally just like chilling at work and you could be up $500, $1,000. On the flip side, you could be down too, right? But the opportunity is there. Now, they also do 1.5 million in weekly tournament prizes. So if you're into tournaments, you can make a lot of money playing tournaments on here as well. They do take longer. I do prefer cash games. And we'll see if we take this hand down. That was a pretty interesting flop. I think this guy's trying to buy it. Let's see what he does here on the, all right, cool. Yeah, I figured I had him. All right, so he had absolutely nothing, tried to buy it. Okay, anyways, we won a hand right there, so I'm gonna end things on a good note. I'm gonna get into the next method, but if you have any questions about any of this stuff, just feel free to message me below and I'll get back to you. All right, so the next method we're gonna be checking out here is gonna be stock trading on Robinhood. Now, I'm big into stock trading as well. I've been doing this for a long time, and over the last 12 months, probably up somewhere around like 6,000, which would put me at what, that would be like 500 a month, right? So anyways, basically how I've been doing this is I put a little bit of money into Robinhood. So you got to start with some money to make some money, but you can start with a little bit, like a couple thousand or less, and make a few $100s a month doing this for sure. Now, I've got 4,000 in this account, which is kind of a lot. It's starting to get up there a little bit. I try not to put too much in here at a time, but just over like the last month right now, this account is up about 15%, so 500 bucks. So that really puts me at $500 a month just doing this. And I don't hold this stuff. What I do is I buy stocks and then I sell them after where they go up a little bit. So I'm not like a buy and hold kind of guy, but everything looks like it's pretty green today that I own, which is kind of crazy. But anyways, to get started on Robinhood, you literally could start with $5 and start making money this way. And like I said, everything that I'm showing you, it definitely works, and you can do this all from your phone. So it is powerful. So anyways, Robinhood, check them out. And one other thing I want to mention about Robinhood is that they added the crypto portion on here, so you can now do crypto trading on here. They don't have a lot of options, but they've got like Bitcoin and some other cool cryptocurrencies you can check out in here. We are going to be talking about crypto in this video as well. So the next two apps I'm going to be showing you are also very powerful. They are crypto trading apps. The first one to be checking out here is going to be Coinbase. So like I said, I got to show you that I've actually been doing this stuff. Now, I've only got $1 right now in the account, but you can see one of my cash outs was just on, what is this, January 19th. I took 1,200 out, so I had a really good run on here. Basically what Coinbase is, it's a digital wallet where you can hold, Bitcoin and some other coins. You can also do trading on here, but I do not recommend doing the actual trading on here because they don't have a lot of coins you can trade. But if you use this as a wallet, you would be good to go. But what I do recommend you do, and I've said this in other videos, is create a Coinbase account and then sign up at Binance. Now, Binance is really where I've done all my trading at this point when it comes to crypto trading. The thing is, Binance is the #1 crypto exchange in the world right now, and they've got over 100 different coins you can trade. So basically, if I had to compare it to something, it's kind of like the stock trading app for crypto. So it's like the Robinhood for crypto. You know, it's pretty self-explanatory. There's some cool features in here, but basically what you would do is you'd have your Coinbase account and you transfer money into here, and this is where you can buy and sell these different coins. So, you know, you've got Ripple, IOTA, Neo, a bunch of other coins that are smaller, not as popular, but they tend to move around a lot more than, let's say, Bitcoin or Ethereum or Litecoin. You can pull up 24-hour price changes, the last price. You can check out volume of what's being sold. There's also some very cool graphing features in here with candlestick charts. You know, you can set up alerts, which is really cool. So if you're thinking about buying a coin at a certain price, you can set an alert when it drops, and then you could buy it. On the flip side, you could set an alert if it goes higher and you want to sell it. So, I mean, there's a lot of, you know, possibilities here. And don't get me wrong, there is risk to these methods, obviously. But if you practice and you get better at them, you know, you can definitely start to earn money with them. I mean, that's how it is. Basically, with everything, you have to lose in order to learn. And, you know, that's just how it is. All right, so the next one we're going to be checking out here is going to be affiliate marketing with John Crostini. Now, this guy, if you want to get into affiliate marketing, you're just promoting stuff on the internet via YouTube, a blog, Instagram account, Facebook account. And this dude has basically a bunch of free content and a system that he's created for people that will help you out and get started with this. Now, you can make a lot of money with affiliate marketing. I mean, there's people who make $1,000+ a day doing this. Obviously, I've been doing it a while. This guy's made millions of dollars online. And I tell everybody, you know, it's a lot easier to learn from somebody who's already done something as opposed to doing it yourself. So if you're interested in getting started with affiliate marketing, I'll have a link down there to check him out. But, you know, he is one of the masters out there right now. All right, so these next two apps I'm going to show you aren't going to make you $500 a month by any means, but they're cool, and, you know, they can make you probably an extra 100 to 200 or so a month. So Acorns is my go-to when it comes to making basically anywhere from 2 to 5% on your money. This is a robo-advising app. It costs $1 a month to use, and basically you just put money into it and they invest the money for you into low-risk mutual funds, ETFs, and like I said, you can make 2 to 5% on your money. The cool thing about Acorns is you can basically look at this as like a savings account that'll earn you more interest than having it sit in your bank, you know, savings account or checking account or money market, CD, whatever you have set up at your bank. Looks like it's kind of lagging a little bit right now. I'm not sure what's going on, but Acorns, check them out. You know, it's $1 to sign up, but, you know, definitely you can make a little bit of money there. All right, and the last app we're gonna be checking out here is gonna be Inbox Dollars, which is definitely one of my favorites when it comes to points to cash. Now, I've got about $85 in this account right now. I've cashed out a bunch of times on here. I haven't been using this app so much, but if you use it enough, you can make anywhere from like 50 to 150 to even more if you're referring people, but you can play games on here, take surveys, watch videos, basically do stuff that you're already gonna be doing on your phone. And, you know, you can earn some money that way. And then you can cash out via a check, gift card, PayPal gift card, Amazon gift card, whatever, you know, kind of thing you want to do on there. But anyways, this stuff is all real. You know what I'm saying? So literally just, if I had to tell you my exact cash outs just for like right now in this month, I just playing on Bovada, you know, I think I had a recent cash out. I cashed out somewhere around like 3,700 on there. I just cashed out. Robinhood's up 500. Coinbase, I've been doing some crypto trading. I've done pretty well on there. Probably like another 500 I made on that trade that I recently did. And then, of course, you've got affiliate marketing, Acorns, and Inbox Dollars. I've definitely killed it when it comes to making $500 a month. I've definitely crossed that barrier, okay? I mean, but you can do all this stuff if you get good at it. I have links in the description if you want to sign up, as well as a full review link on, you know, getting started, you know, making money with your phone. If you could also hit the like and share, I'd appreciate it. Thanks for watching, guys, and we will see y'all later.